it's all about Jamaica's worst game. You deaf, we the baddest. And as they say, connect.
Yo. What is up, guys? Records Gamer here with another reaction. There, guys, today we're here with Alkaline, Vendetta Boss, with Nah Left Game. This drop 11 hours ago. Been really busy today, really busy. First day back at work. So I had a lot to catch up on. So that's why I didn't react to this from it drop. So I see it from it drop, but I'm going to react to it. So we're here now. We're jumping on and you're with the GSA. Good shot. How much fun is it? Jamaica this? This looks like a Florida. I think this is Florida, right? This has got to be like somewhere. I don't know. Anyway, let's jump in on and here with the Vendetta Boss officer. Let's go. Sorry to interrupt your video, guys. They again with some more promotions, guys. So if you need your videos or your songs to be on the platform, you can follow me on Instagram and send me a message in my DMs. Serious inquiries only, please, if you want prices and stuff like that. And you're serious about putting the music out there as a young artist and big artist, same way, you can do that same way by linking up, you see me? Jamaica_worst_gamer on Instagram, you see me? Also, guys, if you have any party you promote and you need promotional prices, also you can link me up for that, you see me? But yeah, let's get back to the video.
Hey, what them know about we? All them a talk so much thing about we. All them a talk up so much thing about we. What them know about background? What them know about our bloodline? What them know about our lineage? What them know where we come from? Eh? Oh, not talk so much about we.
The intro fit Alkaline. The intro fit the Vendetta Boss. He's a very private person. And there's very little out there about Alkaline. He doesn't do interviews anymore. So him keep himself to himself. You can't see the man at a party. If the man in a book, the man in a look. So he might tell you where you know about me, like where you know me from. What do you know me from?
What them know about background? What them know about our bloodline?
What them know about that?
Lineage?
Royalty.
What them know where we come from?
Yeah.
Eh? Oh, not talk so much about we.
But them cuss, but them go and complain. When up them pressure coming on it again.
Hey! Make them cuss. Make them go and complain. Make them go and murmur. Make them go and skin up them face. Make them have bad feeling. Hey, if you have bad feeling, go and go drink some tea. But all we wanna go on with, we not left a game. We not left a game at our game this. Ball game.
We them know where we come
Not
from.
left it.
Eh?
So any artist don't like it, do something about it.
But them cuss, but them go and complain. When up them pressure coming on it again. Stress can't get me off of your brain. Take you detour off of my name.
Humbuckler, you just can't get me off of your brain. Take a detour, brother. Wrong stop, you stop. And go around the song, up off of my name, bro. Yo. Alkaline been busy for 2024. This is what, the 1st of February. We see Alkaline drop the 1st of January, and then him drop about 3 songs throughout the month. And now he's here to start our February with Alkaline is a genius. Alkaline have a strategy right here. I reckon I'm predicting he's gonna drop a song every 1st each month this year. I predict that. Yeah.
Stress can't get me off of your brain. Take you detour off of my name. Them quarreling and them balling, no they want see. Now let it begin.
Them quarreling and them balling, them complaining, them murmuring. Brother, I'm telling you, say, if you don't feel bad about it, go drink some tea. Bust your gas what you have, brother. Me not left a game.
Them quarreling and them balling, no they want see. Now let it begin. Balling and them quarreling, no they want see. Now let it begin. Me ride and chest so high. Remember one paper and a cable guy.
The boss just different, dog, I swear.
Begin. Balling and then quarreling, no they want fit. Now let it begin. Me ride and chest so high. Remember one paper and a cable guy. 3 point like them all cry. Set to slow down where fly me a fly.
Yo, the boss have a different flow. Like him have like a like a drill floor, like one of them rapper drill floor that the boss have one one about. But what obviously you know say part I'm talking about it the flow different.
Me ride and chest so high. Them one pay up on a cable guy. 3 point like them all cry. So if you slow down, we fly me a fly.
So if you slow down, we fly me a fly. I saw the UK rapper them rap and the drill beat them too, you know. You see me? The same that them Lego certain word and then them draw certain word. And that Alkaline are the writer song.
Me ride and chest so high. Them one pay up on a cable guy. 3 point like them all cry. So if you slow down, we fly me a fly. No, them a must take junks. Sitting wrong with them a chip and lick and then junk style.
Them pussy a sniff. Them pussy a take drugs. Them drunk. One to them. One are meds.
No, them a must take junks. Sitting wrong with them a chip and lick and then junk style. Step ahead of them a years and months by ingredient what they need. Spending cause spending one complain. Put up them pressure coming out if you get.
Oh, God, I'm gonna check a doctor, man. The pressure go up, man. Wanna get some blood pressure pill, man. The G tell us say, yo, what me do, I'm not left the game.
Spending cause spending one complain. Put up them pressure coming out if you get.
Nah, left it.
Stress can't get to you for your brain. Take it beat to one part from my name. Then quarreling and them balling, no, they want see. Nah, left the game. Balling and then quarreling, no, they want see. Nah, left the game. No guessing about it, do not ask, no doubt you can't do none without me.
Yo, hold on, listen to the line again.
Nah, let the game. Balling and then quarreling, no, they want it. Nah, let the game. No guessing about it, do not ask, no doubt you can't do none without me.
Yo, let me just say this. Alkaline, you know when your hand me glass scratch you, all people say, "Have some money, I go get the idea, yeah." Well, me tell you this. Alkaline and me glass scratch him for kill something that year, yeah. Alkaline and me glass scratch him for kill something that year, yeah. Alkaline decide the mind say I'm gonna kill something that year, yeah. Once it's already opponent, shove up on your head and see. Alkaline say I'm gonna kill you now. Alkaline say that, not me.
No guessing about it, do not ask, no doubt you can't do none without me. Make us a Josie clumsy and so lousy, see me fire the OT.
Make us a Josie, make us a clumsy, make us a lazy brother. See me fire the OT, me fire blaze high. But what is this mask about? Can somebody explain this? I try to think if the mask have any significance to any other artist. Cause Alkaline is a very smart youth, you know.
Make us a Josie clumsy and so lousy, see me fire the OT. Unpredictable, my style and the way it all be. They are what I make you think work as a roadie. Once me go back to send a prayer emoji, say me woulda go easy, I watch your problem while you hockey can't believe.
Wow, see the G go bad. That was well want to send a fire emoji, that a prayer emoji. That not go on, brother. You will never live to send a prayer emoji about me about prayers up. Or not even an RIP, because you can't kill me. That's how the G tell us straight.
Unpredictable, my style and the way it all be. They are what I make you think work as a roadie. Once me go back to send a prayer emoji, say me woulda go easy, I watch your problem while you hockey can't believe them, yo. Go back to send a prayer emoji, say me woulda go easy, I watch your problem while you hockey can't believe them, yo. No, them a must take junks. Sitting wrong with them a chip and lick and then jump style. Step ahead of them a years and months by ingredient with them.
Man say a step ahead of years and months, brother. The man say my year.
Yeah, watch your problem while you hockey can't believe them, yo. No, them a must take junks. Sitting wrong with them a chip and lick and then jump style. Step ahead of them a years and months by ingredient with them need.
Man say him have the ingredients what them need, but guess what? Film ingredients, him cook up the recipe there, so nobody not get that. But you're the boss of tell us saying him there head of them by years and months, brother. Them can't keep up, dog. That's why the G tell us say them can't keep up with him.
Step ahead of them a years and months.
Unpredictable.
Ingredient what they need. Who they cause, who they want complain. Put up them pressure coming out if you get. Stress can't get to you for your brain. Take it beat to one part from my name. Then quarreling and them balling, no they want see. Now let it game. Balling and then quarreling, no they want see. Now let it game. Who they cause, who they want complain. Put up them pressure coming out if you get. Stress can't get to you for your brain. Take it beat to one part from my name. Then quarreling and them balling, no they want see. Now let it game. Balling and then calling, no, they want fit. Now let me game.
Yes, yacht. Yes, yacht. Yes, yacht. Sponge music, big up. Yes, yacht. Atta. Yo, can I just say this? Alkaline is not signed to any artist, right? To any label, right? Alkaline is not signed to any major labels, right? He's an independent artist, I'm sure. If Alkaline do it, Alkaline show and say, yo, you can get rich. Young artists, Alkaline show and say, yo, you can get rich off of being on yourself and sticking to phone own thing, brother. Having a own little circle, cause it not signed to nobody, from my knowledge anyway. So you see me. What I also notice in the Alkaline video them as of lately, if I remember right, Alkaline alone in them video them. You don't see nobody else in them video them. You see me? You don't see nobody else in the video them. And that me notice, like Alkaline alone. So he might tell us, yo, him stand alone right so. You see me? This guy is so clever. Some things with him do, you have to pretty deep at them. Even if it not go so, you have to pretty deep, dog. I swear. You have to pretty deep. Cause I just that Alkaline do to you, dog. He just make you pre some things deep. You see me? But big up the Vendetta boss still. Big up the Vendetta fans them from man not kill me for that one, dog. From man not kill me for that one. So but there, big up the fans them internationally. We subscribe to the channel. Big up on yourself. I appreciate it, you know. Now left a game, you know. But yeah, this is my lead down and see. If you enjoy one and want some more, leave a like on the video. Subscribe around there if you're new and click on them two videos where I float around back above your head. Alright? Hey, yeah, follow me on Instagram, Jamaica_worst_gamer also. Yeah, Zan? Yeah, peace.
It's all about Jamaica's worst gamer. You deaf, we the baddest. And it's a rip corner.